Alright everyone, and welcome back to another video. And today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the Treblab X3 Pro truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So today in this video we're going to go over a fitting demonstration, and then I'm going to give y'all two audio sample tests. The first audio test is going to be a leakage test, and then the second audio test is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. So y'all should get an overall idea of how good these earbuds fit, and hopefully you get an overall idea of how good they potentially sound as well. Now, for reference information, let's cover all the reference information first. Recording all the audio here today, I am using the Movo MA2010 omnidirectional microphone. I do have the earbuds connected up to my Pixel 2 XL, as you can see right there. So let me just show y'all real quick. So if I swipe down on the notification shade, you can see right here that they are connected up to my Pixel right there. Boom. And I do have it set to 100% volume, so let me show you that as well. 100% volume right here as well. Okay. So it is set to 100% volume. Just wanted to show y'all that. Okay. And I am using copyright-free music, so let me show you this as well. So we got copyright-free music right there as well. Okay. So quick little pieces of verification information. Now let's just go ahead and dive into the video. Now, alongside the fitting demonstration, I will have up on the screen in post some B-roll of a close-up of the earbuds, so y'all can get a real nice close-up of how the earbuds look. So I'll have that B-roll thrown up now for y'all to check out. This way y'all get a nice tight up-close look at the earbuds. And now let's dive into the fitting demonstrations. Now, there are two ways that you can wear these earbuds, okay? Way number one is how I have them now. So the earbuds are pointing straight out that way, okay? And then way number two, you can angle it up for a more secure fit. This way, the earbuds are kind of hooked in on the inner part of your ear, and the ear hook is kind of supporting the whole thing based on your ear itself, okay? So there's actually two ways that you can wear these. You can wear it like this. I'll have the B-roll up in post so y'all can see it better. So you can wear it like this. Turn to the side. Again, the earbuds are pointing that way. Okay. Or you can wear it like this. So you can angle it so it goes to the inner part of your ear now, like that. Okay, and you can do that on both sides. And this overall gives you a much more secure fit, but in my opinion, at least for me, with my experience, this does add a little bit of extra ear strain to your ears in the long run. So I found that after extended listening sessions, wearing it this way was a little bit uncomfortable. So let me show you again. Okay, and just for reference, I am using my own custom tips. I did try out the stock tips, but I decided to go with my own custom tips after doing a little bit of testing. Now the stock tips or any of the tips included with the X3 Pros were not bad. I've gotten comfortable using my own custom tips. Okay? Alright, so let me put these back to how I like to wear them. Okay? And now we're going to go ahead and start the audio testing. So let me push play on the music. And the first test we're going to do is checking for leakage. Here we go. Alright, let me know what you can hear. Alright now. Okay. Let me just pause this. Okay, so real quick leakage test. Y'all let me know what y'all feel the microphones were able to pick up coming off of the earbuds. Now let me give y'all my overall thoughts before we get into the sound sample and then wrap the video up. So in terms of the overall sound quality coming out of the earbuds, it is really good. It's very crisp and clear throughout, with minimal distortion on the high or the low ends of the volume spectrum. In terms of the overall volume, these bad boys get incredibly loud. So in terms of being able to drown out my surroundings, there really isn't any problems. But where I feel these need a little bit of improvement is the overall bass coming out of these. Now it's very nicely balanced, but it's just missing a little bit of that extra punch. You know, I'm a bass lover. I kind of want it to be a little extra punchy, and I want to feel a little extra grittiness coming off of it. I don't know if that's the right word, but the bass on these does need a little bit of improvement. But overall, the sound quality, the volume, and the bass are really good. Really good. Alright, just wanted to give y'all my 2 cents on that. I'll probably reiterate that again in the full review. Now let's get into the last audio test. Let me try to give you a nice audio sample to the best of my ability. So let's rewind the music. I'm going to go ahead and push play again. And now I'm going to hold them up to the mic. Here we go. Here we go. Do this for about 10 seconds. Alright, I'll give you another 10. Alright, we good. Drop these back in. Okay. Oopsie, pushing all types of buttons. Alright, let's go ahead and pause that. Alright, so that pretty much does it for the overall fit and sound demo with the Treblab X3 Pro truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now, as always, I hope everyone found the video helpful. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.